Hey warrior, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this as the year winds down, chances are you're feeling one of three things: tired, unsure, or quietly wondering why you don't feel more excited about next year. And if that's you, I want to start by saying this clearly. You are not behind. You are being built. In this video, we're going to talk about how to prepare for 2026 in a way that actually supports your life, not pressures it. No hustle, no unrealistic goal setting, no pretending you're fine when you're exhausted. This is about learning how to reflect, reset, and rise with intention. So take a breath. You don't need to rush this. Most women I work with don't struggle because they lack ideas. They struggle because they're carrying too much emotionally, mentally, and energetically into a new season without ever putting anything down. We're taught to plan forward without looking back. But unfinished emotional weight doesn't disappear just because the calendar changes. That's why so many people start January motivated and feel behind by February. So today, instead of asking, what do I want to achieve next year? I want you to ask, what do I need to release so I can actually move forward? That's where real clarity begins. Reflection is not about reliving everything that went wrong. It's about closure. When we skip reflection, we carry burnout into new goals, resentment into new commitments, and unrealistic expectations into another year. And then we wonder why nothing sticks. So here's what reflection actually looks like. First, ask yourself, what drained me repeatedly this year? Not what looked good on paper, not what I should be grateful for, but what consistently cost you energy? Second question, what version of me did I outgrow? Sometimes we keep operating from old identities, survival mode, people pleasing, proving long after they've stopped serving us. And finally, what am I done carrying into 2026? Not everything deserves to come with you. Reflection creates emotional closure, and without closure, moments leak. Once you reflect, the next step is reset. Resetting doesn't mean quitting, it means recalibrating. Most burnout isn't caused by lack of effort, it's caused by too many directions at once. So instead of asking, what else should I add next year? Try asking, what actually matters in this season of my life? Your capacity matters. Your health matters. Your family, your energy, your bandwidth, all of it matters. A goal that fits your season will always outperform a goal that looks impressive but drains you. Reset means choosing fewer priorities on purpose. This is where clarity returns. Now, let's talk about rising, because vision without action just becomes frustration. Rising doesn't mean doing everything at once. It means committing to steady, repeatable progress. This is where systems and rhythms come in. Ask yourself, what do I repeat weekly that drains me? If something happens over and over again, onboarding, content creation, follow up, delivery, that's not a discipline issue, it's a systems opportunity. Even simple systems protect your energy. Then look at your rhythms. Do you have space to pause weekly, to reflect monthly, to reset before burnout sets in? Momentum isn't built in bursts, it's built through consistency. Progress beats perfection every time. I want you to say this clearly, especially if you've been feeling discouraged. You don't need to become someone new in 2026. You're being invited to step into being more fully who you already are with clarity instead of pressure. Sometimes God slows the pace so the foundation can catch up with the calling. And that's not punishment, that's preparation. You're not late, you're aligning. If this video resonated, I don't want you to stop here. I created a free resource called Reflect, Reset, and Rise, the 2026 Prep Workbook, to help you walk through everything we just talked about today in a grounded, supported way. You can grab it by joining my Skool community, the Empower Collective, where we're having real conversations, building clarity together, and supporting one another into the next season. And before you go, I'd love for you to leave a comment and answer this. What's one thing you're choosing to leave behind this year? I read every comment, and I'd love to hear from you. You're not behind, you're being built on purpose. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. As I always say, reemerge and rise, my warrior, because warriors do it better.